Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we've got this Kendall Jenner look. Smoky brown eye, glossy brown lip. Yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so I'm just starting with Cover FX Cover Cream. I feel like this is one of the heaviest bases that I've seen her have. And then before we do anything else, we're going to do the eyes. So I'm just going to pop a bit of this on. This is my absolute favourite for shadow. And I'm going to pop a little bit of powder on the eyes. And I'm going to use the KKW Beauty palette, very fitting. And I'm going to mix this one here and this one. And just apply that all over the lid and up. And then underneath as well. Then I'm going to take this darkest shade on a flatter brush. And I'm going to start packing it near the root line like that. At this point, this looks a bit crazy, I know. Then you're going to take your fluff brush and blend that upwards. So you keep the concentration lower. You don't really want it to go much past your socket line, this bit. And then taking that brush again, I'm going to take some underneath. I'm going to clean up underneath, so you can wing this out a little bit. And I'm just going to clean up underneath like that. Get rid of any fallout. That shadow's not too bad for it, otherwise I would have done my eyes first. So I'm going to take the Cover FX contour palette and the lightest colour here. And this is where you want to shape that up like that. And then just blend this in again. And then the Huda Beauty in the nougat. I'm going to warm it up with the same palette, just this darker colour. Curve that round to get a nice natural cheekbone shape. Get these bits as well. Model contour going. And a little bit of light underneath there to help bring it out. And this is why I haven't done my eyebrows yet. So still going around it.
No.
Quite a bronze area here. So I'm just going to build that up a bit. So now I'm going to pop on some MAC Studio Fix powder. All over the face. This is so good for smoothing the skin. And then I'm just going to put some Mercier under the eyes. Just to brighten it up a little bit more. While we're doing that, I'm going to pop a little bit of bronzer to the underneath of the cheekbone and use a mix between these three. Let's remove that light powder first. Get those cheekbones out. Use the Vanity Brow Cushion and the MAC 212 brush, which is really thin. Now my eyebrows don't go up like Kendall's, but I am just going to do tiny little strokes. Then fill in any little gaps that you need. So I'm just going to wipe away that excess powder there. And I'm just going to take a 212 brush and a liquid liner, and I'm just going to tight line to the top of the lashes. She doesn't look like she's wearing liner, but just her eyelashes, the line of them look very neat. So this will give you that same effect. So just like that. Into your lash line. So next I'm going to take a bit of Kylie Cosmetics Tahiti highlighter. Pop a bit here. Your cheekbone and here. So I actually got a tiny bit here there, and then she's got it in the corner of her eyes too. And I'm just going to use this brush with a tiny, tiny little remnants of the liner. Just put a little line like that there, and that just helps your eyes look a little bit more cat-like hers. I'm going to take KKW Beauty Nude One liner, just line the lips. This, which is Gerard Cosmetics Toast. I'm then going to take a little bit of Beauty Pie's Beach Gloss and finish it off with some Smashbox mascara.